Hello, my name is Martelene Piquiwanas. I am from Grabando. A continuation present question. Choose at least 5 questions and answer them here. 1. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? The most unknown food I've tried on a trip is fried merch. 2. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most visited place in the city of Santander of Quechua are the Violent Waterfall, the Added Pool, and the Kumfakau Recreation Center. 3. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most amazing activity I did on my trip was riding a bike for the first time. 4. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive place I visited was the clock tower located in the city of Popayán. 5. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I visit is the Kumfakau Recreation Center in Santander of Quechua. Thank you.